Hello, we will present a Gigapixel web service for mobile devices developed at the Chair for Information Systems and Databases, RWTH Aachen University. Gigapixel images are composed of billions of pixels. Using them, a good level of details for the images can be achieved. I will now present 2 gigapixel images available on the internet. The filmmaker David Richards took 400 images of Everest and its near neighbors. The digitally stitched images formed the gigapixel image which you can currently see. The image contains 3.8 billion pixels. One has a panoramic view upon the Mount Everest and can also zoom in to see accurate details on the mountain peak. Users can also navigate to some other images. For example, here, again, the image has a 360 degrees view. The next picture which we will present is a panoramic view of London. Experts shooted 48,640 individual pictures after the 2012 Olympics to achieve this image. The final image was then assembled in several months. Here is a demonstration of the zoom level which can be achieved using this image. We will now focus on a random building of London, and we can see all details on the facade of the building. Those large images are difficult to display and load on mobile devices. Different zoom levels cannot be rendered efficiently in mobile browsers, and no such application exists for Android devices. Our solution uses lazy loading and adaptive data download to display gigapixel images in an Android native application. In this video, we will present our prototype for gigapixel image annotation. So let's go back to the presentation. Our prototype was developed in the context of a bachelor thesis and can support annotating gigapixel images in different levels of details. By offering this functionality on smartphones, we can support professional mobile communities. As a scenario, a person, in our case an architect, can create a gigapixel image using a Gigapan device and make it available for other users, which can view the image with annotations, or they can edit, add, or delete their own annotations. We will begin by showing the upload of gigapixel images. The users can create a new profile, or they can log in with existing credentials. We will choose this image for upload, which was taken at the Dome in Cologne. And then we will load the image and we will upload it. Now the upload is processing. The images are stitched, tiled, and then made available in the repository for the mobile device. So now the image processing is done, and this can be viewed in the Android application.
This is the initial screen for our application. I will log in with my username and password. A list of available images is displayed, and it is sorted according to the last date the images were added and according to the authors. So we can see the last image uploaded was done using my account, and doesn't have any annotations, we can see the image. We can zoom in by using this menu or touch, and we can also add an annotation. So we have to draw a box for the tag, so I will put the box here, and we have to specify the name of the annotation and the description. We save the annotation, and then this is displayed for certain zoom levels. The annotation can be edited or deleted if we have the rights to do it, meaning if we are the owners of this annotation. Going back to the list view, we can search for an annotation or for the title of an image. We can write here, for example, Sermoneta. Two images were discovered having Sermoneta in the title. If we choose one of them, then we can see the image was already annotated, and the annotations are displayed according to the zoom level. If I want to delete an annotation, I don't have this option, but I can add one. And here I have the delete option. I can resize the image, and I can browse the existing annotations, and this will take me to the appropriate zoom level for which this annotation was added. Thank you very much for listening to the presentation.